today I'm going to be doing a morning routine with me and my baby. He's 6 months old. So yeah, that's basically what we'll be doing. Everything I do in the morning, you'll go ahead and see in the next few clips. Okay, so the first thing I do every morning is make my coffee. I make mine in the microwave personally. I prefer coffee maker coffee, but you know, my apartment is really small. I don't have anywhere to put my coffee maker, so microwave will do. I go ahead and feed my baby and, you know, finish out everything. He was fussing, so I had to hold him, and we'll get into his fussing a little bit later in the video. But today we're going to be going ahead and using milk and sugar. I prefer hazelnut creamer, I'm going to be honest with you. But we ran out, so you got to do what you got to do sometimes. Usually I like to relax while drinking my coffee, so I go ahead and grab my baby, and we go into the living room and watch TV. And excuse the square, you know, I had on underwear, so yeah, couldn't show you guys that. Okay, so the rest of the video is going to be on a different day because my baby was giving me like a really hard time, so we had to cut filming short that day and finish off the next day. Yes, that's him talking in the background. He feels the energy, okay? So after I chill out, whatever, I like to go ahead and take a shower, bathe my baby. We actually take a shower together just because I'm a single mom and that's what's easier. So I go ahead and get him dressed. You see his nice little outfit. Oh my goodness, he is so precious. He is actually 6 months old and he is crawling everywhere. He stands up on things. We have a walker for him. He hasn't quite figured it out, but he'll get it one day. So I'm showing after I bathe him, I like to make him a bottle. Whether he drinks it all or not, you know, who knows. But I go ahead and make him a bottle. Sometimes I put baby food, cereal, and milk all in his bottle because it's easier for me. Please don't judge me on that. Excuse me. But that's what's easier for me. I have to get it done some way. So we go ahead and warm his bottle up in the microwave. And if you guys see my mouth like moving weird during this video, I got my snake eyes pierced again. Oh, him crying and then him get so excited for his bottle. But I love my baby so much, as you guys will notice. Do you guys wash out your sink like this? Because, you know, I can't do it any other way. But anyways, I go ahead and clean my kitchen and I sweep the floor and stuff. But like I said, if you see me moving my mouth weird, it's because I got my snake eyes pierced again and I like to play with it. I am having issues with it again. And so I don't know how that'll go, but I go ahead and sweep my kitchen, you know, get everything straightened out. After this, you'll see me mopping. Okay, I go ahead and spray my floor, and as you can see, my mop has a sprayer, but I broke that somehow. I think while cleaning it, I'm not sure, but yeah, I go ahead and mop my floor. I use water, pine salt, and bleach, if you guys are wondering. I know questions like that get asked all the time. So yeah, I go ahead and mop my floor. And then I try to pick up the living room as best as possible. I do have a baby. If he messes up his clothes, we have to change him. If he does something else, we have to change him. He likes playing with weird stuff, so you know, I just try to keep as tidy as possible. I clean maybe every other morning or so. Go ahead and clean off the couch. I have a futon, so sometimes we lay it down and take a nap and watch TV. So yeah, I'm just taking his blankets off, putting those away. He has a big blanket that like says the months. My aunt got it for him and it has his name on it. It's so cute. I love the blanket. He actually learned how to crawl on that blanket. But yeah, I go ahead and pull the couch up, make it like sittable, and then I push it back all the way to the wall. And yeah, to make more space in the living room, because if you guys didn't know, I live in a studio apartment, not an actual real, like I don't have a one bedroom, it's a studio. So the room and living room are technically the same area. They're just divided by a little a movable closet basically. So yeah, I just make it work. Go ahead and fold up his blanket. We kind of use it as like a throw blanket. Anytime we want to take a nap, we use this blanket, and I love this blanket so much, especially because it says his name. Honestly, by this time my baby has already been fussing for a good 10 minutes, so we go ahead and just grab him and we put him down for a nap. He loves to be held, and I'm sorry, I'm holding my baby. So I hold him while he takes a nap, and we just watch TV. Well, I watch TV because he's asleep. But yeah, just watch TV and chill out with my baby. Okay, so now that you guys have reached to the end of the video, I'm really trying to be consistent. So if you guys want to see anything else about like my daily life or anything like that, go ahead and comment down below. I'm pretty sure you guys seen that my baby's skin is very like oily, and it's because he has to use cream. If you guys want to know my journey with his skin, it's been a long one, let me know that down below. Really anything you guys want to see or know or have any questions about, let me know down below and I'll go ahead and get that out to you. Otherwise, I'm just working on some, own videos that I know how to do. But yeah, I want to at least upload like once a week, but like my goal would be twice a week. But yeah, if you want to see the life of me and my baby, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, peace, love you guys, bye.